Hi everybody, I'm here Prasad. Now our topic is Enum. Enum means enumerator. This is a user defined data type. Some of the previous model papers and guest paper, this question also given. Enum means enumerator is a special kind of data types defined by the user. User means we, right? It consists of, with a cursor I am showing, it consists of constant integrals and integers, right, that are given name of by the user, by a user. The user of enum in C to the name the integer value makes the entire program easy to learn and understand and maintain by the same, even different programmers, that can be maintained. To define enumerator or enumerators, enum is the keyword. Enum I mentioned with a red. See here, enum is a keyword to use. I told you in my previous video 32 keywords we have, right? I will show you now also, but it takes time. So in previous see my previous video, you can see enum also keyword. General declaration of enum, generic declaration in general. Enum, there will be flag. Flag means there will be a variable within curly braces, constant 1, constant 2, comma constant up to n. Note point: by default constant 1 is 0 and constant 2 is 1 and so on. Example syntax for enumeration. Enum week. If you want to declare week, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So this is generic syntax, this is example syntax, and for that I wrote two programs. One program very simple. See here, C program for enum, hash include stu.h, hash include conio.h, enum boolean curly within curly braces false true, void main enum boolean check, we need to check is equal to true or not, clear screen printf true %d check gets age, output is true equal to 1, false means 0. And one more program for that, here Monday to Sunday or Sunday to Saturday. C program for enum, hash include stu.h, hash include conio.h, enum week curly braces. This is a syntax which I mentioned with the black box. See, which I wrote in red pen, you write with black pen. And this programs write in the exams, you will get full marks. For every theory, write a program. Definition, generic syntax, example syntax, and a program. Enum week, this is a box. This is the syntax, and semicolon should be there, right? Then void main enum week today. What is today? If today is Friday, semicolon, printf Friday is equal %d today. So Friday is 5. This will be 0 as we maintained in the note point. Defaultly, by default, constant 1 is 0, constant 2 equal to 1. Similarly, so on. If necessary only, we can change it. By defaultly, it will be there. So first two value will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 I have mentioned. So right, this is about enum. So if you want any study material, you can call me or WhatsApp me. I will give you my mobile number also. This is my mobile number 9849181923. If you have any doubts, if you want to practical part manual or theory related lab manual also I have created. If you want anything, WhatsApp me or call me for the notes. Any subject also you can ask me, right? All the best for your exams.